Hello and welcome to today's video. I hope you all are healthy. In today's video, I am going to demonstrate the step-by-step process to configure automated notification for Amazon GuardDuty findings. If you are using Amazon GuardDuty and looking for a mechanism to get automated alert when there is a high or medium findings, then you are at the right place. In today's demo, I am going to cover everything related to configuring automated GuardDuty alert. If you follow today's session without skipping any part, you should be able to successfully configure automated GuardDuty notification for your personal learning and for your organizational use cases. Before I start, I'd like to request you, if you are new to our channel or haven't subscribed yet, then please subscribe to our channel and please click on the bell icon to get notification for any new topics. Our goal is to help everyone with premium content without any paid subscription, and your support will motivate us. Now let's review some high-level use cases for Amazon GuardDuty automated notifications. To start with, if you want to receive automated email or text alert for any GuardDuty findings, that means when Amazon GuardDuty will detect any findings, it could be high, it could be medium, you want an automated notification on your mobile or even on your email ID, or maybe if you want to extend that to your IT team. Next, if you want to automate remediation for specific findings. In today's demo, we will set up a SNS topic. Using SNS topic, you can either send email, text, or even you can trigger Lambda functions. Using that Lambda functions, you can automate the remediation step. I am going to create separate video for each and every use cases what I am going to discuss today, and I will come up with those video with automated remediation for every use cases, and use cases like when you have a compromised IAM credential, when you have a compromised EC2 instance, when you have a compromised S3 bucket, or when one of your EC2 instance or instances used for a crypto mining or backdoor attack. In that case, how you can automate all those remediations using Lambda functions, we are going to cover in subsequent videos. And then last but not least, if you have an organizational requirement to notify your security team about any GuardDuty finding, it could be any specific findings, then yes, you will be able to set up automated notification for all those discussed use cases. Now let's see the implementation architecture what we are going to discuss today. From the left hand side of the diagram, let's say you have this AWS infrastructure. You can have S3 bucket, you can have EC2 instances. Now you have enabled AWS GuardDuty on your account. GuardDuty will automatically monitor all your instances and it will create the findings. Whenever there is a finding, you want to set an alert. To set that alert, first we are going to create a SNS topic. And in that SNS topic, we are going to subscribe. You can subscribe email, you can subscribe mobile text. In today's video, we are going to cover the email part. We are not going to cover the mobile text part, but the process is same. We are going to create an EventBridge pattern. This EventBridge pattern will automatically monitor the GuardDuty finding. Whenever there is a new finding, this EventBridge will trigger the SNS topic, and if you subscribe to that topic, you will get the notification. Now in today's video, we are going to demonstrate one more step. We are going to integrate GuardDuty with AWS Security Hub. What is the benefit of doing that? If you are using multiple AWS services, then you can get a single pane of glass and you can get all the findings in one place, and that is Security Hub. Now if you are using Security Hub, you can trigger that EventBridge pattern from Security Hub. We are going to demonstrate both the cases today. If you want to directly integrate EventBridge with GuardDuty, or if you want to integrate EventBridge with Security Hub, we are going to demonstrate today. Now let's summarize the high level step what we are going to cover for today's video, and this is just to do a level set and to bring everyone into same page before we are jumping to AWS Management Console and implementing the steps. First, we are going to create a SNS topic and we are going to create a subscription for that topic. Then we are going to integrate GuardDuty with AWS Security Hub. Then we are going to create EventBridge rule to trigger that notification. And at the end, we are going to test the automated notification. Now let's quickly jump to AWS Management Console and let's continue the second part of the video or the actual implementation part. Please join me in AWS Management Console. I have logged into AWS Management Console and I am in Console Home. As discussed during the PPT, let's create the SNS topic first. If you have accessed SNS previously, then you can see SNS under recently visited services, or else you can type SNS from the service search bar. Let's select Simple Notification Service or SNS in short. From SNS dashboard, let's click on the topics. Under this topic dashboard, you will see list of topics if you have created previously. I already have an existing SNS topic from previous demo. That is why I have this existing topic. If you have an existing topic and if you feel that you can reuse that, then you can skip this part or step. To create a new SNS topic, please click on the Create Topic button. I don't need FIFO or first in first out topic. I'm fine with standard topic. I will use the name CAC, that is Cloud Expert Solution GuardDuty Demo. You can use what name you want. I will use the same text for description. Now I'll click Create Topic. This will create a SNS topic for us. Next, we have to subscribe the topic. To create a subscription for the topic, under Subscription tab, please click Create Subscription button. Now from protocol drop down, we have different options. If you want an email subscription, then select email. For text, select SMS. If you want to create automated remediation using Lambda functions, then you can select Lambda. You can also invoke a SQS queue or send the message to HTTP or HTTPS endpoints. So based on your requirement, please select the protocol. For today's demo, I want automated email. I'll select email from the protocol dropdown. I will provide my email ID in the endpoint input box. Then I'll click on the Create Subscription button. Once I'll click on the Create Subscription button, I'll be navigated to Subscription Detail page. Currently, I am at Subscription Detail page. Under this endpoint, you will see the email ID you have entered. Currently, the status is pending confirmation. You will receive an automated email from AWS and you have to confirm that you own the email ID what you have entered. You will receive the notification from SNS topic once you confirm that email. If your subscription is in pending confirmation status, you will not receive any notification to the entered email ID. And this is true for text message too. I'll go back to my email application and I'll pull the automated email what I have received from SNS. This is the automated email I have received from SNS. If you are following me, you should also receive an email from noreply@sns.amazonaws.com. The display name would be your topic name and the subject should be AWS notification subscription confirmation. The email body should have one hyperlink confirm subscription. I'll click that hyperlink and here you go. I have received the subscription confirmation. With this, I have successfully subscribed the SNS topic. Now onwards, any message to the topic will be delivered to my email ID. Let's close this email tab and let's go back to AWS Management Console. We have successfully created the SNS topic and we have subscribed the topic. Next, we will go to Amazon EventBridge and we will create the triggering rules. To access EventBridge, I'll type EventBridge in the service search bar. I'll click on the Amazon EventBridge under services. We will create a rule. I'll give a rule name like automated GuardDuty notification. You can use any rule name you want. Description is optional. I'll copy the same text to the description. I'll go with the default event bus. Under rule type, I don't want the rule to be triggered in a particular schedule. Rather, it should be real time. That means whenever there is an event or whenever there is a GuardDuty finding, it should trigger that rule. I'll go with the rule with the event pattern and I can provide any pattern or criteria I want. I'll click on next button and it will take me to the build event pattern screen. At build event pattern screen, the event source would be AWS event source. I want to integrate with Amazon GuardDuty or AWS Security Hub. That is why I'll go with AWS event source. I'll skip the sample event section. I'll select event pattern. For event pattern, event source will be AWS services. From AWS services drop down, I'll select GuardDuty. It's a long list. I'll type GuardDuty. Under event type, you can select all events or GuardDuty findings. If you select all events, whenever there is an update in the GuardDuty finding, you will get an automated email notification. Sometimes it may be overkilling. You will get notification for different statuses and it may flood your email. I'll select the GuardDuty finding. Now please remember this will trigger notification for all different severity, even for the low severity also. If you want to filter out any severity, then you can create custom JSON pattern and filter the severity. I'll cover that part also. If I select GuardDuty finding, you can see the source is GuardDuty and detail type is GuardDuty finding. The alternative option could be you can integrate GuardDuty with Security Hub. As I was discussing during the PPT, Security Hub will give a single pane of glass for all the AWS services. So let's first create this notification. Then we'll integrate Security Hub with GuardDuty and we will create EventBridge pattern for Security Hub also. Let's click next to go to the next page. At the select target screen, target type will be AWS service. From the select target drop down, I'll select SNS topic. Then I'll select the SNS topic we have created for this demo. Then click next. Configure tag is optional. I'll skip tagging part. You can add tag if you want. Then I'll click next. At the review and create page, I'll click create rule. This will create the EventBridge rule for the GuardDuty notification. Here is the rule we have created. Now we have to wait for GuardDuty to detect a new finding. I can use this time to demonstrate the Security Hub integration part. To access Security Hub, I'll type Security Hub in the service search bar, then click on the Security Hub under services. This will take me to Security Hub dashboard. For me, Security Hub is already activated. That is why I can see the dashboard. But if Security Hub is not activated for you, you will see a screen like this. For me, GuardDuty is already integrated with Security Hub, but let me show you the process. It's a one-click process. From the left-hand side, I'll click on Integrations. Under Integration Filter, I'll type GuardDuty. The first box is for GuardDuty. For me, since I have already enabled Amazon GuardDuty and Security Hub integration, that is why the status is accepting findings. If you want to break this integration, again, only if you have a compelling reason to do so, then you can click on the stop accepting finding, this button. and that will remove the integration, or that will break the integration between Amazon GuardDuty and AWS Security Hub. To show you how the screen looks like if AWS Security Hub and Amazon GuardDuty is not integrated, I can compare the status with Barracuda. Since I haven't used Barracuda or integrated, that is why you can see the status is not accepting finding. In your case, if GuardDuty is not integrated with Security Hub, you will see the status as not accepting finding. Now, if you are seeing the status as not accepting findings, that means GuardDuty and Security Hub is not integrated. To integrate, simply click Accept Finding. If you will click the button Accept Finding, then the status will change to Accepting Finding and GuardDuty will be integrated with AWS Security Hub. Please remember, it may take 10 to 15 minutes, or you may have to wait 10 to 15 minutes to view the GuardDuty findings in Security Hub dashboard. Since we have already integrated GuardDuty with AWS Security Hub, next step we'll go to Amazon EventBridge again, and this time we'll create a rule using event source as AWS Security Hub. From the service search, I'll write event and it will bring Amazon EventBridge. From left hand side under buses, I'll click rules. Since this is a test environment and Amazon GuardDuty will not generate frequent findings for my case, I will try to modify the previously created rule instead of creating a new rule. Else I'll get duplicate notifications for any GuardDuty findings. From the existing rule dashboard, I'll select the rule we have created previously. I'll edit the event pattern. I'll scroll all the way down and select creation method as custom pattern. I'll edit the pattern and I'll paste the new rule. If you please refer the pattern, now source as AWS Security Hub, product name is GuardDuty, severity level as medium and high. This is important. If you want to include low severity also, then please remove the severity filter. On the other hand, if you want only high findings, then please keep the severity as only high. Then I'll click next, next and update rules. Now we have updated rule based on AWS Security Hub integration. From now, whenever there will be a new GuardDuty finding, we should get an automated email. I'll pause the video here and I'll come back when there will be an automated email to my mailbox. I had to wait around 7 minutes to get the first automated GuardDuty email. You can see the top email in my mailbox. The first email was for SNS subscription confirmation. Now let me open the top email and maximize the window. We have a JSON document as the email body, and this JSON document has all the details related to the new GuardDuty findings. Now let's review a couple of attributes. We can see the detail as port scanned sample, detection type as Recon EC2 port scan. Obviously, this JSON is not a very good readable format. To review the attributes, let me open a JSON converter and format the JSON. For this demo, I am using jsonformatter.org online formatter, but you can use any JSON formatter you are comfortable with. Now let me format or beautify. Here you go. Now the JSON document is in a good readable format. And now let's review some more attributes. We can see details type as Security Hub findings imported, source as Security Hub, region US Test 1, type EC2 port scan, severity medium. This is the finding ID, status is new. Under that we have resource type as AWS EC2 instance, and that means this finding is for Amazon EC2, and we have all the instance details like info large, IP addresses. Now if you are interested, you can check other attributes too. With this, we have successfully set up automated email notification for Amazon GuardDuty findings. Whenever there will be any high or medium findings, we'll get an automated email like this. As I mentioned at the beginning of this demo, you can set up text notification also. Now before I conclude, let's clean the EventBridge rule and the notification, or else my email box will be flooded with automated notification. I'll select the notification and click on the delete button. Now to confirm delete, I have to provide the rule name. To confirm delete, I'll simply copy the name and paste in the input box. Next, I'll go to SNS and delete the topic. If you want to keep the topic, you can. You are not going to pay any charges for keeping the SNS topic. Since I don't need the topic after this demo, I'll simply delete the topic. To summarize, in today's video, we first created a SNS topic and then subscribed the topic. Then we have created EventBridge rule to get automated notifications for any type of GuardDuty findings that include even change in finding statuses. Then we have reviewed the process of integrating Amazon GuardDuty with AWS Security Hub. Then we have modified the EventBridge rule to accept findings from AWS Security Hub. Then we have tested the notification and reviewed couple of attributes. And at the end, we have cleaned all the resources we have created for this demo. Now we came to a conclusion about today's topic. I hope I was able to clarify all your doubts. If you have any question regarding today's topic, please post your question as comment to this video. We will answer at earliest. Before we conclude today, I would like to request you please subscribe our channel and please click on the bell icon to get notification for new topics. If you want me to cover any topics, please provide your request as a comment on this video. If you appreciate our effort, please like this video. It will definitely motivate us. At the end, thank you. Please take care and stay safe.